how to enable voice chat in Roblox. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily enable voice chat to chat with your friends on Roblox. Let's dive right in. Open up a Roblox app, go to more option in the bottom right corner, and then scroll down, go to settings. Now here you need to go to privacy and content restrictions, and there you'll find experience communication. So you need to tap on communication and tap on experience chat, and you need to toggle on the experience chat option. So now voice chat has been enabled. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.